Imagine a machine built not just to perform, but to dominate. A workstation engineered for the people who design the future, who build cities before they exist, who test engines before they're manufactured, who simulate galaxies before telescopes ever see them. Today, we're diving into the Lenovo ThinkStation PGX, a machine so powerful, so absurdly optimized, that nonstop, day after day, year after year, in environments where a crash is more than an inconvenience. It's a disaster. That legacy flows directly into the PGX. It's tested. And I don't mean run a benchmark and call it a day tested. I mean real, brutal testing. Thermal tests, vibration tests, stress tests, environmental shifts, extreme load endurance. The kind of testing that makes other PCs cry for help. And why does that matter to you? Because whether you're a student, a creator, an entrepreneur, or someone who simply enjoys powerful tech, you want a machine that stays stable, that doesn't corrupt a file at 2 a.m., that doesn't reboot in the middle of an important render, that doesn't decide to retire right when you need it most. The ThinkStation PGX is built for the long game. Let's talk expandability, because the world changes fast, and your workstation should evolve with it. Most computers feel like sealed boxes now, hard to upgrade, hard to modify, hard to expand. The PGX? It's the opposite. Pop it open, and it's like looking into a neatly organized laboratory. Room for extra drives, room for more memory, room for multiple GPUs, room for hardware that hasn't even been released yet. If tech had a future-proof badge, this machine would wear it proudly. Now, let's shift into something deeper, something beyond specs and cooling and benchmarks. Let's talk about what a machine like this actually does for you. Because owning powerful hardware isn't just about the work you do with it. It's about the mindset it creates. It gives you confidence. It gives you freedom. It removes frustrations. It eliminates bottlenecks. It opens doors that used to be locked. It lets you experiment, take risks, try new formats, build bigger projects, create things you would have avoided because the hardware simply couldn't handle it. This is the type of machine that makes you think differently, plan differently, work differently, because suddenly your ideas don't have to shrink to fit inside your computer. Your computer grows to meet your imagination, and you'd be surprised how much that changes. Now, while we're here, let's talk about the experience of actually using this machine. You power it on, and it feels smooth. Not flashy, not loud, just solid. You open heavy apps, and they launch instantly. You drag massive files, and they feel weightless. You multitask like a maniac, and the system doesn't blink. It feels like everything you do is being quietly accelerated. That is what performance should feel like. Not loud, not chaotic, not overwhelming, just effortless. Before we close this journey, I want you to imagine one last thing. Picture your current workflow, your current projects, your current limitations, the moments where your system slows you down, where it hesitates, freezes, or fights back. Now imagine removing all of that. Imagine a machine that simply says yes to whatever you throw at it. A machine that steps aside and lets your creativity take the wheel. That is what the Lenovo ThinkStation PGX represents. Not just hardware, not just specs, not just speed, but possibility. A tool for thinkers, builders, creators, dreamers. Anyone brave enough to push beyond average and demand something more. And if you're that kind of person, this machine wasn't just built for you. It was built because of you. Let's go even deeper. Not into the luxury of performance. That is the luxury of stability. And yes, we have to talk about the price. Because if you're investing in a powerhouse like this, you want to know what you're paying for. You're paying for reliability. You're paying for years of use. You're paying for a machine that won't be outdated next year. You're paying for engineering that's been tested and refined by industries where failure is an option. The PGX is built for people who take their work seriously, people who understand that the cost of an underperforming computer is far greater than the cost of a good one. You're not just buying a workstation, you're buying time, you're buying speed, you're buying peace of mind. Now let's explore something that most reviewers skip entirely. The future of workstations. We're entering an era where AI isn't something you interact with occasionally. It's something that becomes a permanent part of your workflow. Whether you're editing, modeling, designing, coding, analyzing, or even gaming, AI processes are happening in the background. More and more every single day. And AI needs hardware that can keep up. Hardware that can handle millions of calculations per second without choking the rest of your system. This is where the ThinkStation PGX quietly pulls ahead of almost everything else in its class. Its architecture, its cooling, its stability, its expandability. They're all designed for the future of computing, not just the present. As AI tools become heavier, as models become larger, as creative software becomes more demanding, this machine is already prepared. You won't need to upgrade every year. You won't need to rebuild your setup. You won't have to chase the next big thing, because you already have it. Now let's talk about something more personal. If you're the kind of person who loves to build things, who loves to tweak, optimize, upgrade, the PGX feels like a playground. Opening it up doesn't feel scary. It feels inviting. Everything is organized. Everything is accessible, powerful. It's made for the people who refuse to settle, who refuse to compromise, who refuse to let slow hardware stand in the way of big ideas. It's made for the people who think bigger, push harder, create deeper, build faster, and dream louder.